Hey, this is Dwight with Chat Learn AI Now. Today we're going to talk about using ChatGPT to help build your resume. Um, Try these tips. So, what is ChatGPT? It's a natural language processing system. It understands English or text, actually any language, in context, and provides you a response back. It's pre-trained on what's called a large learning model by a company called OpenAI, and it allows for the easier transfer of learning from from ChatGPT to you. So why do you want to use it for resume building? Well, uh, the advantages are it's time saving. You can build a resume in a really an effective resume in a really short period of time. You can make it professional with professional language and formatting, and it will personalize the content to meet your skills. To get started, you can use any number of the Chat GPT platforms. The OpenAI, uh, to get to OpenAI, it's chatgpt.com. There are some third party apps and some integrations. Once you're at chatgpt.com, you can sign in using your email and password, or you can create an account. First thing you want to do when you're uh, asking ChatGPT to help with your resume is you want to get the information you need. You'll need your personal details, your work experience, education, your achievements, and any skills and competencies you may have. And you want to structure your resume with a header with your name and contact information, a summary of your objective. By the way, you can have ChatGPT help you with the summary of your objective, your work experience, any educational experience you have, your skills, and any hobbies, certifications, etc. You can use ChatGPT to create content. Whoa. To write effective prompts, you can ask ChatGPT for 100 examples of prompts for different sections of the resume. You can use it to review and refine your AI generated content. In other words, the content that ChatGPT provides you should be the starting point, and you can customize it to meet your needs. You can use it to enhance specific sections of your resume, for example, your work experience or your skills. And you can use it to tailor your resume for specific job applications by using the keywords that were used for that job application. So, for example, if you're looking for a job as a carpenter, a specific type of carpenter, you can give it the keywords, a furniture carpenter, for example. You could give it those keywords. You can use it to help with formatting, making your resume visually appealing, choose fonts and colors, ensure readability, and that your resume is professional. And ChatGPT can recommend tools and templates for resume design. And you can use it for final review. So for proofing and editing, you can check for errors and inconsistencies. You can get it to give feedback, and you can use tools for grammar and spell check. And of course, you can export your resume to any number of formats, including PDF and Word, just by saying create a Word document. So here are some prompts. These are some personal information prompts. Please create a header for my resume with my name, contact information, and LinkedIn profile. ChatGPT will create a professional header section, um, and then you can ask it to write a brief summary stating your skills and career goals. Uh, to to have it help you with your work experience. Describe my role as a project leader at company name, including key responsibilities, or detail my experience as a software engineer emphasizing your technical skills. And you can get ChatGPT to list your technical skills and provide descriptions or relevant software engineering projects. Some prompts to help you uh, input your educational experience. Uh, List my educational background, including degrees, institutions. It will summarize your academic achievements and credentials, describe my coursework in my business administration, and highlight any relevant coursework or academic. This is a prompt that you can use to have ChatGPT write a description about the courses that you took when you were in college. You can have it enhance your skills. Create a skills section for my resume, emphasizing my leadership skills, communication, and problem solving. It will list your skills and provide examples for context where these skills were utilized. And here's the prompt. And of course, you can have it list your achievements, list any rewards, describe my contributions to a team, and ChatGPT will outline those contributions and let you easily add it to your resume. You can have it tailor for a specific job application. So customize my resume for a marketing manager position or optimize my resume for software development. And you can have it help you with formatting, provide recommendations on formatting my resume so that it's more readable and visually appealing. And it'll suggest layouts and fonts and colors that you should use to make your resume more visually appealing. Once again, if you find these videos helpful and you want to learn more, subscribe now, share the videos with your family and friends, like them and make comments. We'd appreciate it. I can learn from you, you can learn from me, and we can all learn AI together. Thanks again. See you in the next video.